I'm from Syria, so I speak Arabic very well. It's my mother language. And I saw on social media a lot of teachers, they are not Arabic. So they teach Arabic and they are not Arabic. It's important to learn from native speaker like me. And I didn't see any Arabic, original Arabic, who teach Arabic on YouTube. So you are lucky with me. So it's hard, the language. I see a lot of people, they say, well, what this language? It's very complicated and like how I will learn this language. But the truth is, it's very easy with me because I will give you my way to learn language and the Arabic language, and it's very good. And I tried with learning English and many languages. I'm not talking about learning grammar and the hard grammar. So I'm not teaching you grammar, not teaching you a hard like something advanced. I saw many people teach the beginners like advanced, I don't know what. But with me, you will learn, and with this way, you will learn very fast. So without even, if you don't even know the letters, you will learn. Just believe in me and watch the video to the end, and let's start. Just tell me, when you talk to someone, what you talking about, like with your friends? What is the conversation for you? The conversation, conversation, okay? It's about